Good morning, students. I hope you are fit and fine at your homes. Students, today date is 21st July and we are going to start our next topic, that is restoring a file or folder. Yes, yesterday we have done till deleting a files, and today we are going to start our next topic, that is restoring a file or folder. Here restoring means file or folders that we have deleted, how we can restore that deleted files or folders. So if we want to restore our file or folder from the trash folder in the following way, so first step is open the trash folder. Firstly we will open the trash folder, and after that select the file to be restored and click on the restore from trash button on the top right corner of the window. The file will be restored to its original location. So firstly you have to open the trash folder, and after that you have to choose file or folder that you want to restore, and after that at last you have to choose this restore from trash button. Restore from trash button you have to choose, so that file will be restored to its original location. So the next one topic is viewing the file, means how you can watch or see your files. So Google Drive display your names, your files and folders in two different ways. So first one is list view and second one is grid view. Means in two types you can view your file, you can see your file. So first one is list view. So this view display a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date when it was modified, file size, etc. So by default all the files and folders appear in a list. For example, आप एक list में देखना चाहते हो अपनी files और folders को, so then you will choose this list view option. And if you want to see your files as a grid means small images, using small images. So the grid view display the files and folders in the form of thumbnails. To use this view, click on the grid view button on the top right corner of the window. So if you want to see your file by displaying view, that is grid view, then you can choose this grid view option. So in two ways you can view your files. So next one is how you can create your duplicate file. How you can create a file duplicate. So to create a file duplicate copy of your file, then select the desired file, click on the more action button. First way is you can select the desired file and after that you will choose this more action button, and second one way is right click on the selected file. Directly you can right click on the selected file. So after that there is option make a copy, because we want to make a duplicate copy of the file. So then we will choose this make a copy option from the display list of options. So a copy of the selected file will appear. So जो भी आपने एक select की होगी file, उसकी क्या बन जाएगी, copy बन जाएगी उसकी. So the next one is renaming a file. Here renaming means you want to change your name of the file. आप अपने file को new name देना चाहते हो, तो so that's one is called renaming. So to rename a file stored on your drive, so first step is the same option. Firstly you will select the file and after that you will choose this more action button, and the second one way is right click on the selected file. Same right click you have to do. After that you have to choose this rename option because you want to rename the file, and after that small rename window will appear, and here you can give your new name to the file. Here you can give new name to the file. You can type here new name and after that you have to click the OK button. So after that your file will be renamed with new name. So students, this is enough for today. Next topic we will discuss in the next video. So take care students. Have a nice day.